Welcome back to Cuz We Can. Today we're going to make a grill for on top of a campfire. Six of us in our family, so we always need a pretty decent sized grill. I love to cook outside. Pretty simple project. It's going to take an hour or two for us to do it, maybe like 15 minutes for you. We have the grill, some 1/2-inch pipe out of my rack up there, cables, squeegee tools, chains, and today Alex is going to be working with you because I'm a gimp. All the same length. Alright, so drill some holes. You're going to just put it in a vise and drill with a hand drill, or you're going to put it on a milling machine?
Milling machine.
I would say about an inch. Alright, so I'm going to show Alex how another YouTuber taught me how to cut cable nice and clean. In order for that cable to fit through these little pockets, it's got to be the most perfect clean cut. You get a torch, we have it set up here. Heat that cable up. Now with the twist of the cable, I actually have to use the drill in reverse, but when that gets nice and red, I hold this with a pair of pliers and slowly start turning it so it heats up on all sides and literally welds itself together and then finally breaks. Now this works really well on smaller cable. Takes a little while with this 5/16? No, 3/16 cable. So it's been a while since I did this, but I don't remember it being that pain in the head. Yeah. I think we should be able to clean it up enough to fit through there. So we need to make a loop, Alex. Say about yay big. So grab the grinder, do a rough cut on this. See what happens when you cut it like that? I found when you cut a wire cutters, it smashes and does the same thing. Put this end in the drill. Set it up again.
It's a long process to get it cut.
Let's see if she'll cut. Yeah, so I cleaned the edges up a bit on the grinder. Got into the ferrule. I keep calling it swage, but I believe this is a swaging tool. And this is the ferrule. So now, Alex, you get back over here and do your damn job. I'm supposed to be recording. For all you guys out there, what he's doing is we're trying to make a loop with the cable in order to just have a loose fitting joint so that the pipes can move in whatever direction we want.
In here?
You going in the right hole? It could be a pain in the ass. Wiggle it, twist it a little bit, play with it.
That's what she said. Michael.
Pliers are right there. How deep is it?
Like 3/4 of the way.
That's what she said.
Well, grab this with a pair of pliers and then push it on.
You always left me satisfied and smiling, so.
Then some.
Swaging tool. 3/16 is the one on the end.
Can't get leverage. There.
All right.
That's a workout.
Just make sure you can see this. He swaged them together. Yeah, so they're linked together. Here, take it, stand it up, and I'll move these guys so they can see. It's a tripod. It should lock itself in.
Not.
Well, maybe our loop is too big. Let me see. Yeah, probably should have went smaller on the loop. Maybe we can adapt it somehow to do that. But also remember that D-ring and
Chain.
gonna have to hang off of there, which we sort of screwed this up. I don't know if
How did we screw it up?
we need this to be underneath so that the chain can hang off of it. I don't know if there's a way we can undo that.
Well, we have to make the loop smaller. So just
Grab the D-ring and the chain. I'll never gonna be able to make this smaller without really damaging it.
Are we recording?
You know? On the cable. That works fine. You know what we didn't dig out? The nest hook, so. Did you turn it off?
No. Make sure I wasn't zooming in.
Show them what we were just doing there.
So we put this on. Which, why not just lock it? And then put this on. We could then put. If we want to raise the chain, we can raise it. Now that did nothing, but.
That'll be our way of raising them over in the grill. So now we need to go back to the workbench and Alex will get the chains put on the grill. Yeah, we need to make another loop before you go too crazy.
No, I got so excited. I'm glad it didn't go according to plan.
No, but I'm gonna put on a big grinder, see what I can make happen.
You're too far in.
I have this stuff left over for making a cable railing turned out really cool and I really like it. But this cable is a bit of a pain to work with. So there you go. You got a circle. Alex, come over and crimp it.
We have to put stuff on it.
Yeah, crap, yeah. How are you doing? 3 or 4?
Let's go with 3. Keep up with the whole tripod look.
Alright. Hold these chains. Keep the weight off of me so I can put this back together.
Now that's teamwork.
One eternity later.
There, we're good. Oh, damn, I should have made you do that.
There's the leverage.
Alright, now do it again.
Cool.
Alright. So, there's that.
Which, okay, where are we putting this?
I don't know, where are we putting them?
2 on the ends, 1 in the middle.
Sounds like a plan to me.
That's what we're looking.
I'm gonna cut this bottom link off.
Alright, time to count.
Well, we could do that, or we can hang it until it's level. Now, what Alex has talked about there, you count each link, make sure they're hooked, and they're exact same amount of links on each 3. That will allow it to hang level. Now,
It's a double middle.
point of being tripod is that a tripod automatically levels no matter what. If you if you have a bonfire on the side of the hill, you can adjust these chains and links, and the grill will still be level.
That's pretty level. Not to be perfectly level.
No, it doesn't. We're not going to be taking a level out to camp neither. So that honestly right there is a good height to grill on. I know you guys probably can't see. Let me see if I can lean you over.
There's so much chain.
Enough room out there for the hot coals from the fire. But yeah, I agree. We should get rid of some chain. I think it's good as it is. I mean, the only bad side I see
That will give us this high.
is carrying a lot of chain, but this isn't something you carry on your backpack. Not like backpack camping, but throw it in the truck and pull it out, put it above the bonfire, and
How nicely does this fold up?
I think we'd take the grill off of it though.
Yeah.
So you're 6, that's just under 8 feet tall. Yeah. Works pretty damn good.
We built a thing. Because we can.